I'm really very concerned, but we can do something about it. I think that's the important point.
Worry and optimism from the top infectious disease expert in the U.S. after a week in which COVID-19 killed more Americans than heart disease and lung cancer. Researchers at the University of Washington say more than 11,000 people died from COVID this week, and they're predicting a grim winter stretch. They believe more than 500,000 people could be dead in the U.S. by April 1st. Amid warnings, the worst is coming.
We know that if we wait, we are just delaying the inevitable.
New stay-at-home orders go into effect in several San Francisco Bay Area counties Sunday night.
We have to do everything we can to prevent this from being a holiday season that we look back on as one of sickness and death.
We are in our worst surge yet of COVID-19. If we allow the virus to keep spreading at this pace, we estimate that San Francisco will run out of intensive care unit beds on December 26th.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention tweeted Friday that hospitalization rates are the highest they've been since the beginning of the pandemic. This as new guidance was issued urging the public to postpone travel and mask up indoors, even in some cases in your own home.
I wear a mask.
The CDC warns the virus has entered a phase of high-level transmission, noting your highest risk of getting and spreading COVID-19 is from the people you live with who may be asymptomatic.
I wear a mask because I might not know that I'm sick.
New hope is on the horizon with promising vaccines. Hospitals in the UK are preparing to roll out the Pfizer shot after the country became the first in the world to approve it.
We're expecting batches next week, so we can start vaccination towards the end of next week, which is fabulous.
A lot of our staff are on the borderlines of whether it will work or not, but hopefully it will, and hopefully we'll see less cases coming into critical care.
On Saturday, mass vaccinations began in Moscow, although residents are getting injected with Russia's version of the vaccine, which is still to complete phase 3 trials. The Food and Drug Administration is possibly just days away from giving both the Pfizer and Moderna shots the go-ahead. Concerns still about how to bring those pandemic numbers down until enough people are vaccinated. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.